Okay, that's a new one right there. Detroit XO looks kind of really good quality and all, but they got a good rating though. The customer service good. So that's the old one. It's really stuck. It won't even have any spring in it. It just completely dead. This one. I used to use, since it used less gas, I used to carry this thing. Go to Sam, get like 300-400 pounds, 500 pounds of rice, oil, and everything else. Take it to the restaurant instead of use the truck. Then the strut, just after a few years, the strut gave up. So now I'm retired. No more carrying heavy stuff. I think this one's gonna last forever. I hope. And you just reverse order. You hang this one up first. Hang it up, not tight. I'm too tight. Loose, and then push the main tool right here, the one that hold right there. This tool right here. Let me see right there. Right there. Let's get that thing going. Tie those first, then you tie up there later. That's how it go. Hope it help. It's simple. It's not hard at all. Okay. Hope I can help. Hope this video help. Or you just can message me and ask me. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye. And don't forget, subscribe. Thanks.